Okay, here we are back on the product page. I've turned off the Divi child theme and we're just using regular Divi. So here we are in Visual Builder mode, and I'm going to scroll and it's not scrolling. So I'm going to go to Tablet View. As you see, I'm clicking it down here in the lower left, and still not scrolling very well. So I'm going to click, this is essential, the button here which is called Zoom Out. So you have to do this. You zoom out. You automatically start to see the bottom part of this, okay, the entire page. So now you can just switch to mobile mode, and you will see that I can now see the bottom, the top. I'm scrolling with my mouse, with the scroller, with a hand, you see, and it looks fine. So I don't exactly know what the problem is. So why don't you try doing this again now that I've changed the theme. And so I'm just going to close this, and I'm going to exit Visual Builder.